Welcome to this tutorial on creating a duplicate menu in WordPress with just one click. In this guide, you will learn how to quickly and easily generate a copy of your website's navigation menu. This process is simple and efficient, allowing you to experiment with different menu designs or create backup versions without having to build a new menu from scratch. We will walk through every step so you can feel confident when managing your WordPress site. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. When the WordPress homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. Clicking this option is your gateway to entering the WordPress dashboard, so be sure you locate it easily. Each WordPress user may have a slightly different interface depending on their settings, but the login area is always placed in a highly visible spot for convenience. Once you have clicked the login option, you will notice a prompt that offers the ability to sign in using your Google account. Look for the button that reads Continue with Google. Clicking on this button will launch a sign-in process managed by Google, making the process both secure and convenient. After clicking, a login window appears with several Google accounts listed. Choose the account associated with your WordPress website. If you have multiple accounts, be sure to select the one with the correct permissions to manage your site effectively. After successfully signing in, you will be directed to the WordPress dashboard. Now locate the section labeled Quick Links. This section is designed to provide shortcuts to frequently used areas of the site, and one of the key links here is Edit Site. By clicking Edit Site, WordPress will take you into the site editor where you have the power to change various design elements and settings. This area is a central command center for customization, making it the perfect starting point for creating a duplicate menu. Inside the site editor, focus on the header section where your navigation menu is located. The navigation menu is an essential aspect of your website, guiding visitors through your content. When you click on the navigation menu in the header, you enter a mode that allows you to customize the menu structure and appearance. Look around and you will notice a set of 3 dots. These dots represent additional options that are not immediately visible in the standard menu settings. After clicking the 3 dots, a set of extended options appears. One of these options is Duplicate. This feature is specifically designed to allow you to create a copy of your current navigation menu with minimal effort. With a single click on Duplicate, WordPress initiates the process of replicating your original menu structure. The duplicate menu retains the same menu items, links, and configurations, ensuring that you have an exact copy that you can modify independently of the original. This tutorial provides an efficient method to clone your website's navigation menu in under 5 minutes. The duplicate menu feature in WordPress is a powerful tool for anyone looking to perform experiments on their site's layout, set up alternative navigation strategies, or simply safeguard against accidental changes. Enjoy the speed and ease of duplicating your navigation menu, and take full control of your website's design with this straightforward approach.